Hey, Bill Connelly here with LiveGood. I just wanted to give you some information about how you can use the main website and not the business website that we get to sign up someone as a member and as an affiliate. Okay. So with LiveGood, this is the main website that we get. This is the one I can give to people where they can check out the products ahead of time and they don't have to go to this one, which is our business website where we promote LiveGood, for other business partners and things like that. So this is the business page that we promote, and it's livegoodtour.com/your username. Okay. This is where they put their name, their email, and the system will follow up with them. And there's a video. Now, I have a lot of people who are not interested in the business, or they first want to see the products before they put their name, email, and all that stuff in. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I would give them this website right here, livegood.com/your username. I would give them this website and I would say, hey, check out the products, check out the whole website, click on all the links and decide if this is a good fit for you. Whether you just want to be a member, you can be a member from this site. If you do not want to be a member, you can order from this website at the retail price. It's up to you. And then if you decide that you would like to be a business partner with me, I'll show you how to get involved right now for $49.95. Okay. So that's what I do. I have the two websites, right? I'll market this one. I'll put ads on this one. But if someone's asking me, hey, can I see the products? I want to check them out first. I'll also give them the company YouTube channel because on the front, it has the formulators, Ryan and Lisa going over the products. It also has, if you click on the live button of their YouTube channel, the previous business overviews as well. All right, so let's get back to this. So I want to show you how you can use this page, give it to someone. They're not locked in. There's no pressure. They can check it out. They can look at the products. And then if they're ready, if they just want to become a member and purchase and get the lower price, they can do that from this website. Or if they don't want the membership and they want to pay about $10 more per product, they can do that as well from this website. Now, let's just say we gave somebody this website, they checked it out, they're interested, they get back to you, and they say, hey, Bill, I think I'm just going to be a member. I'm going to enjoy these products. I'm going to enjoy the savings that I get with these products, and I'm going to go that route. Well, that's great. Just use this website, click on Become a Member, pay the $9.95 a month, order your products, get your savings, and enjoy, okay? Or they get back to you and they say, Bill, I think I want to run with you. I'm going to pay the $40 one-time rep fee. I'm going to pay the membership fee of $9.95 for $49.95. And let's get this baby running. Okay, great. All right, I'm going to show you how to do that. So instead of me giving them the tour page and say, fill this out, we can simply go down to the bottom and you'll see where it says affiliate compensation plan. Okay. So, for example, we'll come up here, we'll click on Become a Member, and then we're going to choose which one we want. Now, I did the yearly because it saves me 2 months, okay? So instead of $120 for the whole year, I'm getting $100, okay? But you do whatever is good for you or the person coming on board. So add the cart, okay, and you'll see it's in there, okay? But I don't see any, where I can fill out, and become a rep. Well, great. Let me show you. So you come down here, you click on the affiliate compensation plan, and then boom, this has where you can become an affiliate. Okay. You can check it out. Make sure they understand the fast start is 50%, the matrix money and the levels and everything that comes along with the compensation plan. Very, very powerful for $10 a month. Incredible. So all they got to do is really just click on the Become an Affiliate, and it's going to also be added to the cart. So you can see right here, the membership is included, the affiliate fee is included. Boom, they're good to go. Now they can either shop from this point and get their products at the reduced price for being a member because it's automatically included, or they can just check out for $49.95 and become the affiliate and have their membership as well. So once again, This has been Bill Connelly. Just wanted to show you this information. Remember, we have the 2 websites. We have the tour page that you can market and build your business to your cold market, people you don't know. And then people you do know, you can give your main website right here. They can check out the products, all the information. They can get the YouTube channel from you, review all that stuff, and decide if this is a good fit for them. All right, so I just wanted to share with you how you can get someone in as a member and an affiliate using the main website that we share with people so that they can see the products, check on all the ingredients, check out the great products that we have, you know, and then decide if this is a good fit for them or if they just want to be a retail customer or a membership customer. All right. So then once again, Bill Connelly, I hope this helped you out. You can share this with anybody that you want. Get back with the person that shared it with you. Get on board with them and let us help you build this business. All right. God bless.